Welcome. We are going to discuss the overall process of photosynthesis, the input and output of the light reaction and the Calvin cycle, the photosynthesis equation and its processes, how CO2 and H2O react chemically to form oxygen as a byproduct and glucose. Photosynthesis is usually defined as the process whereby plants manufacture their own food. Mainly green plants manufacture their own food by converting carbon dioxide and water in the presence of light to produce glucose. Photosynthesis involves the oxidation reduction and the movement of electrons from one molecule to another. That means there will be a reduction from carbon dioxide to sugar to form sugar. That means the reduction, that means there will be a gain in an electron plus hydrogen ion. That's the mean of reduction. And oxidation, that means there will be a loss of hydrogen ion plus an electron. There will be a loss to form what? To form oxygen as a byproduct. That means H2O will lose one electron plus hydrogen to form oxygen as a byproduct, and CO2 will gain an electron plus hydrogen ion to form sugar as a byproduct. That means there is a loss and a gain of electron and hydrogen ion. Let's look at the role of the ADP plus NDPH, which is the nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. So the NDPH is a reduced form of what? Of this NADP plus. That means that the NADP plus has gained an electron plus what? Plus hydrogen ion to form NDPH. And that means that if maybe NDPH loses an electron during the chemical reactions, it goes back to what? To NDPB plus. So the role of the ADPH during the photosynthesis is that it is used in the Calvin cycle to assimilate the carbon dioxide. We have two sets of reactions, which is light reaction and the Calvin cycle. After the sunlight has been absorbed by the thallic membrane, during the light reaction, the ATP and the NADPH it is produced. That is often used in the Calvin cycle to produce Ga3P by absorbing the carbon dioxide from the environment. The Ga3P, which is triose phosphate, and glucose is produced, and oxygen as a byproduct.